AI Paint by Numbers Generator online. AI Painting by Numbers Generator. Now it's a reality. Just imagine how easy it is. Just write in the appropriate field what you want to see in the picture and select the maximum number of colors involved. This will affect the level of complexity and realism of the picture. To generate a picture by numbers for a child, write the phrase "Simple for Kids" after your request in the field and select a small number of colors, preferably up to 15. And in a few seconds, a unique picture by numbers will be generated using artificial intelligence. As a result, you'll get a black and white file with numbered areas, a file with a color picture, and a file with a list of all the colors you need. If you don't understand how to create the desired shade, click the Info button below the color and you'll see what ratio of base colors to use for mixing. Besides, you can simply replace the proposed color in the painting by numbers with any other. And thanks to the SVG format, you can print a painting by numbers of any size with preserved quality. Just contact the most reliable printing house.